Hey and welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. Today we are building the building. So just grab that. Right, so what are we doing? So let's just move this out of the way. We'll move it to there. So we're going to grab that floor, shift duplicate on the Y. So I'm just going to bring this over. This is going to be our limits for the house, if you like. So we're going to have on the X, we're going to have 20 meters. Let me just turn a little figure on, bring him over, select objects. So we've got an idea of how big this house is. And then on the Y, we will go 10 meters. We can adjust it to suit. So that's going to be the back of the house. And this is going to be the front. So let's just pinch one of those walls, Shift D on the X. So we could have a garage there. To be fair, it's a big house. So we'd have a garage on its own, I think. So this is going to be the size of the house. Let's block everything. So let's just select the top bit and we're going to go, how tall are we? 246. Say, let's go 7. Okay. We need to duplicate Shift D, Y. So we're going to make these into the windows. Today we're just going to block out what we need. So we'll have one window here. Like so. Shift D on the X. Oops. Shift D on the X. One here. Shift D on the X. One there. Shift D on the X. We'll have a bigger Shift D on the Z. Maybe we'll have a bigger window there. And then the Shift D on the X to here, a Shift D on the X. A bit of a smaller window there. It's looking quite grand, isn't it? So then what we can do is Shift D on the Y. Like so, but what we'll do is we'll just move these two windows across. Like so, and then maybe Shift D on the X. The 3, maybe we'll have a big window there. What do you reckon? I mean, Shift D on the Z. Because the door's going to be in the center there. Or maybe it'd just be like one big glass thing in the middle and with the door. I don't know. I think we'll leave it at that for now. What we'll do next is go to Control R. We'll select number 2 and then we'll just pull that up. Like so. So it's a nice big country house. Or we can actually just use this for the door for now. Just pull it out to the front, Shift D on the Y. Let's rotate Z 180. What the hell's going on there? Rotate Z 180. There we go. And then we can just pull that in sort of there. So that'll be the door. Like so. I guess we'll have windows on the side. We'll definitely have them at the top there. Shift D on the Y. And then pull that over across. Oh, do you know what would be cool? Shift A. I've only ever seen these in films. Rotate Y 90. Rotate Y 180. But what we're going to do is have a round window up here. Because that would look pretty damn cool, I think. That's going to be like a loft window. Because we're going to make it a bit smaller. Like that. Maybe this one could be a long window as well. Doesn't have to be, we can change it. Just chucking ideas out there at the moment. And then this side, we'll just have a couple of normal windows, duplicate on the X, rotate Z, 90. And then we can just pull those in like so. Something like that. Just drag them over a bit. Yeah. I quite like that. Definitely. And then maybe Shift, duplicate on the Z in the upstairs. We could have something like that up in the loft. It's like a 3-story. And then on these, Control R. And then that one. And this one is going to be the same. Edit, Control R. Edit, just select the top line. Drag it up, something like that. That look pretty cool, I think. Yes. I like that. Right, so now we've got everything blocked out. In the next video, we will start creating, I think. Yeah. Also, what I have been working on, what we'll do is add it in the Patreon, is some fence panels. So we've got different ones. Obviously, that one's not finished. So far we've got that one and this one. So they'll be free in the Patreon. So these will be in the Patreon page, link down below. And I'll get a whole load of other stuff built up that you can use once I've finished. Yeah. Anyway, hope you enjoy the video. Stay tuned for the next one. Thanks for watching. Ta-da.